Hey guys, I got it here, 5 more everyday care pretty unique tools. Let's see what we got. First one, this is all knife or tackle multifunctional butterfly Prybar. Really cool. I love butterfly multi-tool, so like everyday care gadgets. This one is not a knife, this is a butterfly Prybar tool. I don't know any cool tricks. Ooh, this is magnetic. So this is kind of fun. So I guess the only way I would open it is this way, super easy. And yeah, there's no blade here or anything. This is just a sharp point to cut through tape boxes very easily. Scrape something off. It is slanted but sharp enough, but not too sharp so it doesn't break off. A wrench, bottle opener, but most important is a pry bar. And the cool thing is it is quite fidgety. I love it. It is pretty small to where I could turn it over this way. Oh, I see something else over here. Window breaker, beautiful, awesome. Escape the drowning car, or tackle. So yeah, very cool. Not even just a drowning car in case the car flipped over and cannot get out. Sometimes the windshield has to be taken out. So there is titanium TC4, but yeah, very fidgety. I cannot stop playing with that. Again, I don't know any cool tricks, and it's super simple to just like open it, flick it open, use it, close it back up, boom. Nothing sharp in it, so very good packaging. Olight always makes such a awesome packaging. Next, I got right here a really cool snowboarding tool, I think, and I snowboard, never seen anything like that. And let's see, let's open it. I think it could be used for anything, not just snowboarding. So there's explanation. Phillips stubby snowboarding hardware size. So very cool. Anyways, how does this work? It is locked right here. Open. Ooh, there's a bit. Is there more bits? There it is. There's 4 bits right here. Oh, okay, and then slides over this way. And then I close it back up. And is it a ratchet? This is so cool. Let me put Phillips head so I can actually turn it. So right now it's locked. And then what is it? Unscrew it, then screw it back up. Ooh, the clickiness is really satisfying and smooth. I love it. Okay, then I can close it and lock it. Honestly, the coolest thing is right here, bead holders. I had no idea if it come with beads or not. Have to slide it in there. Oh, it's on a magnet. Let's see. Is it holding it on a magnet? Maybe, maybe not. No, it's not. But I don't have to because it's locks in super easily. Wow. And it's a pocket size, so I can bring it with me. Open to take the big bit out. Lock it. Spin it open. Boom. And then use it as a screwdriver, whatever that needed. Super awesome. Put it away. Which one? Ooh, it's locks in there really well. So I kind of have to pull on it pretty good too. The only thing I wish there was some kind of magnet so the bits does not fall down into the snow. But overall, what an amazing tool. Okay, let's look at a flashlight. EDC Flashlight. This is model V10, charging port C. Okay, range is 100 meters. I do not see the lumen, but no, it has battery capacity. I don't see the lumen. Either way, it's on 1000 lumen. There it is with the big letters. Super unique keychain and USB-C. Okay, beautiful. It says hot aluminum body. Ooh, double right here. It's a green light, red light, blue, flashing, and a regular light. Yellow light and green. Okay, person off. Okay. So double click to turn it on, person to turn it off. How about this light? Double click, and there's a whole bunch of modes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And person hold to turn it off. Person hold access to a toolbar, 1000 lumens, and let it go. This is simple. Double click. Okay, person hold, and then triple click. Doesn't do anything. Okay, turbo, all 3 of them. Awesome. I really like that flashlight. Lightweight. Ooh, there's a magnet too. Love it. That is so cool. So it could be a lantern work light with a magnet. Lanyard hole. Love it. Okay, next text accessory. Pixel TI 1 white LED. Ooh, it's a Leo flashlight, but it is probably the smallest flashlight ever made. Wow. How does it even activate? I don't know. And what kind of batteries does it take? So it spins a little. Ooh, that's it. All I have to do is just spin it up. And it has moods. So the brighter mood, medium. Maybe my moods are like a little bit over a push, and then a little bit harder push, and then brighter. That is unique. Kinda hard to activate different moods, but it is really bright. Let's turn off some lights, see what it looks like. Yeah, that is a really nice, powerful flashlight. If I need to find like a keys and in complete darkness, this is just perfect. Super small, so I will not even feel it onto my keychains. That is so unique. So this is the world's smallest flashlight. What kind of batteries does it take? Now I'm just curious. Let's take it apart. Oh wow, those are tiny little batteries. They kind of plugged in together. So what kind of batteries? LR521. This is like a watch batteries, isn't it? Yeah, like hand watch batteries into a flashlight. That's hilarious. So it won't run for a long time, but for quick emergency, there it is. And the fact that this has moods, lower mood and brighter mood, even better. Love it. Yeah, tech accessories have been surprising me. I thought I have filmed everything, and recently I went to their website and I found a lot more cool stuff that they do. And also talking about finding new stuff, SOG Aegis MT open length 4.5 inches, closed length 3.2 inches, weight is 2.4 ounces, so very lightweight, multi-tool. So this is a blade steel 440. Not really sure what kind of steel 440 is. Finish, stain finished. Okay, cool. Let's open it up. This is a little needle nose pliers. Okay, there goes nothing. That's how I like opening up this frustrating packaging without damaging the actual tool. Okay, let's get it. See what I'm talking about, frustrating packaging. So let's see what we got. It definitely is assisted in a sense of I don't have to open it. It has some kind of spring that's push it together. Grip, X, spin. Cool. Ooh, that is smooth. That is so smooth. Whoops. Let's see. Yeah, it is incredibly smooth and satisfying to open. And it opens quite enough to grab onto something and close it. I love it. This is so awesome. I didn't expect anything from it, and this is quite insane. Okay, let's see. If I close this side, there's a nail grab. Very decent sized knife. Open up boxes. Cut up and open so on. Beautiful. Ooh, look at this right here. This is quite nice. I don't know what this is. Oh, it just helps to pull it out. This is little tweezers. Pull off the splinter. That is so cool. Okay, yeah, it's could just go on the side. So that's it. Am I missing anything? Wow, that is so satisfying. Let's see, am I missing something? So needle nose, pliers, soft wire cutters. Oh yeah, I see it. But it has to be soft wire, nothing thick. Blade, tweezers, and bottle opener. Where? Let's see, where's the bottle opener? I don't see it. Unless it's right here somewhere. Where's the bottle opener? Is it hiding from somewhere? It should be like on this side somewhere. I have no idea. Okay, I'll have to learn how to use this bottle opener. I guess right here, if I open it halfway, this is maybe would be a bottle opener. I don't know. But nevertheless, there's easy way to open bottles with life hacks. It's super smooth, very satisfying. Love the tweezers and the knife. Very small, under 3 ounces, everyday carry multi-tool. That is quite awesome. Okay, that's my last gadget. So this is what I got today. Today is quite special. A lot of very unique tools. I don't know which one is my favorite. Probably that miniature one. I'm not gonna burn it out here. Miniature flashlight by Tech Accessory, but also all light Prybar. I love Prybars. And this is butterfly Prybar. They don't make those very often. So that's what I got. Very cool. Anyways, thank you for watching. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite, and I'll see you next time.